Hey, y'all, I'm so glad that y'all came back and joined us because the best is yet to come. These guys are going to show you how to make a wonderful donut using a canned biscuit. So what you say, let's get started.
Sure, yeah.
Yes.
Every time I think of a canned biscuit, it reminds me of when you were Ready, Set, Cook. And there's a really funny story that goes with that.
I was in competition against this French chef named Ludovic. This particular meal that we were getting together, we lifted the dome. Can I tell y'all, I almost cried with relief when a can of biscuits was under that dome. And I looked over at Ludovic. He was just working on these biscuits. He was opening those biscuits now with a can opener. And I hollered at him. I said, "No, Lulu, stop. And he just looked at me and just kept going. Well, sure enough, those biscuits exploded in his face. Do I have to tell y'all who won that one?
No.
We know who wins, Mama.
All right, guys, y'all go ahead and cut the holes from your donut. So just go in there. Now, while y'all are doing that, I'm going to be making the frosting for these. Now, I'm using a cup of powdered sugar, and I'm going to add probably a capful, maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of milk. And remember now that you want to add this milk very slowly because you're going to want a thick glaze to go on these. Now for the chocolate, I'm going to use 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, and then I'm going to add the milk slowly to bring this one also to just the right consistency.
It's perfect.
That looks good. All right, let me get us some paper towels because you'll want to drain these when you pull them out of the fryer. Now, these are only going to take a couple of minutes, y'all. You're going to be amazed at how quickly these fry up. The important thing when you're cooking your donuts, y'all, is that you'll want to flip them before they get too dark on one side because they'll get heavy with grease and they won't want to stay flipped over. So make sure you constantly kind of flip your donuts. Now, I'm frying these, or Jamie's frying these, in peanut oil. Now, you can use a solid shortening. You could use a vegetable shortening. I just am a big believer of peanut oil because it has a higher resistance to burning than like a vegetable oil or a solid shortening. But you can use anything. The only thing that you'll want to make sure of is that it's clean grease. You wouldn't want to fry donuts in grease that you'd fried your fish in. So just make sure it's clean grease.
Ooh, that's a terrible thought.
I know it. All right, Bobby, let's start.
Glazing them while they're hot, right?
Yeah, we got to get them while they're hot, honey. So let's just stick them over there, and you can kind of just pour, spoon that glaze
What can
around.
I do?
Hey, Bobby.
Where do you want it?
I want it in that glaze.
Then where you want it?
And then I want you to just kind of...
It sure is hot and smells delicious.
I know. Look at that. Is that beautiful
It
or
really is.
what?
It really is.
All right. So you be
I got
doing
it.
that. I'm going to be coming over here and dipping them in chocolate.
Jamie, they're perfect.
Look at that. Yum. Isn't that wonderful?
It looks it.
All right. I'm going to start sprinkling, okay?
Okay.
What's your favorite?
Those.
Those? Yum. You can use any kind of topping that you want. You know what would be good on these?
What's that?
Some coconut.
Ooh, that would be good.
Wouldn't that be
That'd
delicious?
Be very good. These look great.
I know they do. Why don't you start picking them up and moving these
placing
to the move these to our serving dish. Jamie and Bobby fried up donuts for Michael, for our Paw because he's got a tremendous sweet tooth.
I can't wait.
Or is it teeth?
Teeth.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.